Refuel your need for an enjoyable and exciting experience here at Kart City. Replenish. After a long day of work, study or play, come here to enjoy our cool drinks while you listen to feel-good music. Relax and refresh. Chat with your friends and family while we satisfy our craving for a sumptuous meal. Race. Known not only for our great food, soothing ambiance, and efficient service, Kart City is the mecca of go-karting here in the region. So rev up your taste for a day or night of unique fun and flavor. Go full throttle at Kart City.
Kart City, my favorite place!